Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Shabab, salamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakat. عندنا اليوم حصة بتاعت technician or computers, how we can use the computers. The computers is important things today we must use for in our things. We need to know what is inside the computer or what means the computer. What's the computer? The computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. The computer sends data as 0, 1. So, but Windows has compared them into a more complex things, such as the things which is complex, such as photograph and movies, website, games, and much more. 3. The computer is used the combination of the hardware and the software. The hardware is an physical or any physical. So here, this one is any physical part of the computer, which include all of the internal component and also the external parts. For example, such as memory, keyboard, mouse, and so on. This is how we use or how we learn the computer and how we can be technician, and we need to know what's inside the computer. The work of computer is sections. If you want to know, the computer is sections, software and hardware. For example, such as software which is something you cannot touch, and the hardware, the something which include inside the computer. So we need to know more about computer in the world. There is a lot of computers, so we cannot pay attention for computers education. It's so important things we need to do. So, like software, if you not know software, it's so difficult to use the computer because we need to open. This is the key of the computer which you can open with it. The hardware, it's nowadays the people cannot use a lot. The people not care about, but which is necessary and important to use or to know that the software. The software, it's important things we need to know because it's all our things which is today used with software. And so maybe this is a little bit kinds of experience about computer, but maybe I can do it more and more teaching something like components of computers, and I want to continue with you in order to know more about computers, math, and so on. And so this is which I got today, and I will show to you guys to know what is the computer. It's necessary to know that. But next time I will try to do more math things, like lessons will be so benefit, which is pure necessary in our life today. So now guys, I want to say thank you so much. See you next week. In this time I will load up the bell up, and then you will be follow next time guys. See you in this time. Thank you so much a lot, my students. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Bye.